We were recently asked the following question. It's a very interesting one. He wrote us, I have heard this quote as coming from a disciple of Srila Prabhupada. It confuses me. Can you explain? Collective unity is more important than individual purity. That doesn't seem to be anything a follower of Srila Prabhupada would say. One person with full purity can change the world. We see that in the example of Srila Prabhupada. He came to the West on the order of his spiritual master, alone, knowing nobody in the United States. He went through great personal difficulty, carrying the preaching mission in his heart, with full faith in the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He never compromised his principles of purity. Look what he accomplished. He introduced and spread the mission of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu all over the world. Collective unity can be found at any sporting event or any political rally, but that doesn't mean it's of a spiritual nature. Personal purity is a very rare trait. Better to have a small group of pure individuals than masses of unified compromisers. As Srila Prabhupada famously said, books are the basis, utility is the principle, preaching is the essence, and purity is the force. He also told us to at least save ourselves, and we can't save ourselves without developing personal purity. So I can't say that the quote you mentioned came from a follower of Srila Prabhupada. It makes no sense, at least not in the devotional perspective, so of course it would be confusing. The statement that you quote is an example of what's known as Mayavadi philosophy. It's a construct of the mind under the influence of Maya or illusion. Therefore, it's called Mayavadi.
If you are interested in the subject matter of this video and would like to learn more, please visit purelyprabhupada.com. Ancient truths for the upliftment of the modern world.